up? It's your girl Grace, Tori, and Evie, and Harley, and Sophie's here somewhere too. For real Z's this time. Hey guys, what is up? It's your girl Grace, Tori, and I'm back with a whole another video. I'm so excited for today's video. I put a lot of planning into it, and I'm so excited. Today we are going to be doing my pet chooses my makeup. I have 5 pets, and there are 8 items, so all of my dogs are going to get to go twice, but I'm so excited. Before I jump into the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to be notified every single time I upload. I upload almost every single day. Also, don't forget to leave a like and a comment of what you thought of this video. Which pet was your favorite? Should I do more videos with my pets? And also, don't forget to enter my giveaway. I'm giving away 1 item from the Bloodlust collection. Follow this link up here, and it will take you to it. So, yeah, I guess we're just going to jump on into the video. So for my first animal, I'm going to put her picture right here. Moondance is so sorry to say that she could not be here today, and I forgot to have her choose yesterday. So she said that in her honor, we can flip a coin, and that will help us decide which foundation to wear. I already have primer on because I only have 1 primer. For Moondance, we're going to say that Heads is the foundation that is too light for me, and Tails is the foundation that is too dark for me. So let's go ahead and flip it. I had to have a lesson in how to flip a coin because I'm problematic. I still didn't do it the best, but I got Tails, so we are going to be looking extra tan today. I'm going to go put that on, and I will be right back. So it's actually not as dark as I thought it was. It's still a little bit darker, but we're gonna roll with it. I only have 1 concealer, so I'm going to be putting that on. This concealer is really white, so things are getting interesting really fast. So this is what we have so far. It's a little interesting. Next, I'm going to do my eyeshadow palette, which Harley right there is going to be picking. So I'm going to go set that up, and we will see which one he picks. Okay, for our options, we have James Charles times Morphe, Mini Controversy, Morphe Boss Mood, Conspiracy, and Blue Blood. Come here! Come here! Which one do you want? Which one of these do you want, Harley? No, you don't get the bag. Which one do you want? He's just gonna sit for a while. Harley, which one of these do you want? Pick a treat, Bubba. No. He said it's a good boy. I told him not to eat him. There we go. Okay, so Harley picked his palette. He chose the James Charles palette. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Okay, so for choosing the color, we didn't really know how we were going to do this since it's such a big palette. So I'm using the little plastic piece that came on it. It has all the names of the colors on it. And then we put a treat here. So everywhere that she steps on, we are going to use. Oh, I know. Evie, come here. Here, you want it? Could get it. Oh, your foot stepped right here. Okay, guys, so the colors that Evie chose based on this are Sister, Ring Light, Skip, and Pinkity Drinkity. So we are going to be using those for my eyeshadow look. So my camera died, so we switched over to my phone. This is Caspy. He is my little rabbit. He's going to be deciding whether I wear false lashes or mascara. So let's get him ready to do that. Caspy, come here. Come here. No, you gotta get the treat. Here. So Casper is being a prima donna and has fled the scene. So we are going to flip a coin for him. Whoa, that was bright. So Heads is mascara. Tails is I do false lashes. So let's flip this coin. Oh, it landed on Tails, so we are going to be wearing false lashes. Sophie is going to be choosing our bronzer. For bronzer, we have Too Faced. This one's really dark. Blue Blood, this is probably my lightest. And Elf, which could be pretty blendable. So, come here, Sophia. Sophie, could get a treat. Oh. Okay. Sophie is confused. Yeah, which one do you want? Oh, we went with the darkest one. Okay, so for bronzer, Sophie chose Too Faced. I think this is Sun Bunny. It is really, really dark, so we're going to be pretty tan with that one. For our blush, we have the Becca blush, and then we have Dream Bouncy. This one's red, and this one's coral. Okay, so we've got red blush. For blush, Harley chose the Dream Bouncy blush, so it is going to be a red color. Okay, for highlighter, we have Jeffree Star Cosmetics. This is like a minty green. And Becca highlighter. It's your regular champagne color. Let's see which one Evie chooses. Champagne it is! Well, she picked this one first, so. So, for lips, I just used all the colors from Jeffree times Shane Dawson for their conspiracy launch because I have a ton of lipstick and that would take forever. So we have this color, this one, this one, this one, this red one, and then this is a hot pink. And now we are ready for Sophie to pick. Oh, straight to the bubblegum pink. Maybe we can make this work. Sophie chose this bright pink. It might honestly look good with the eyeshadow choice, so I'm really excited about this. Sorry if it's shaky, my hand's shaking, my bad. So this is the completed look. I actually don't hate it. Kind of feel like Kim K and Barbie and Snooki, if they had a love child, that would be this. But I actually don't hate it, like, at all. I'm really happy I did this because it got me out of my comfort zone. Thank you so much to my pets for participating. They may have only participated for a short amount of time, and Caspi was a total prima donna, but I'm glad with how this turned out. I'm sorry if the video is a little, you just saw Caspi run by. I'm sorry if the video is a little choppy. You know, working with animals, it is not as easy to get things done in a specific order, so I'm going to try and salvage the stuff that we did get. If you guys want to see an up close, better version of this look, go ahead and check out my Instagram. It's right here, and I will be posting pictures of this up close and personal so that you can have a better look at it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I had fun creating this look. Let me know if you think that this is horrible, if you like the look, what you do like about it, what you don't like. I am going to be reading and responding to comments. Don't forget to enter my giveaway. I will be giving away one item from the Bloodlust collection. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to be notified every single time I make a video. Don't forget to leave a like and a comment as well. Let me know what you thought of this video. Let's chat. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you soon.
Tastes like strawberries on a summer evening, and it sounds just like a song.